Hi, I'm Kushali and today I'm seated in a 1970 Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.3. One of the things I like the most about driving this car is its performance. At the time it was produced, it was one of the fastest four-door sedans in the world. It could comfortably cruise at over 200 kilometers per hour, which is quite impressive for a car that's over 50 years old. This particular model is very special because there was only around 6,500 cars made. This is the only car in Sri Lanka. Another thing I love about driving this car is its comfort. It has features like air suspension, automatic gearbox, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, power steering, central locking, air conditioning, among others. The air suspension in this car is particularly useful in Sri Lanka because it allows you to raise and lower the car based on your requirement. I've been interested in cars from a young age. I've grown up watching my father research and restore many classic Mercedes-Benzes. A fond memory for my sister and I was when we used to get picked up from school in a classic car. It was a unique and exciting experience for both of us because our car would stand out amongst all the other newer cars that were there. I've been attending Classic Car Club rallies since I was very young because my father is a life member of the Classic Car Club. It's been very special for me going from being driven in these cars by my father to now driving in those rallies myself. For all the female classic car enthusiasts out there, don't be afraid to embark on your own restoration project. There is a supportive and welcoming community who can help you out on your journey. If you need any advice to start on your classic car journey, don't be afraid to contact the Classic Car Club of Ceylon via their website.